There is concern in many quarters about the high attrition rate in the nation's police force. Last week, Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake said in 2016 more police left the force than were recruited. But what are some of the reasons why men and women are shedding their police uniform in droves? There was a time when police officer was a highly sought-after profession, but now the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been struggling to attract and keep staff, in recent years losing more members than it recruits. Data from the JCF revealed that last year, for instance, the force recruited 323 people. At the same time, over 500 police personnel left, and they're from critical areas too, like the cybercrimes unit. Only 2 of the 15 officers trained to analyze electronic equipment remain. There have been many theories about why members of the force are leaving. We put some of those reasons to JCF chaplain Gary Boudou Fletcher.
In terms of empirical evidence, we have very little because many times they visit other countries, and when they leave, then they send in their resignation. So we're not able to do a proper exit interview with them. And so anecdotally we can say because of better economic opportunities and other family matters sometimes causes them to want to leave the JCF.
He defended that where police officers are stressed due to the demands of the job, there are systems in place to provide support.
Once there is any sign of stress or depression or any emotional challenges, the chaplains are engaged immediately. We have 7 assistant chaplains across Jamaica, along with myself. In addition, we have peer counselors, 33 peer counselors in every parish, in every division. And they also give support at their local level. In addition to that, we have over 500 volunteer chaplains. As you see, some of them here, approximately 208 persons were trained. And so there is a number of different layers that police officers can get help and support when they go through their various challenges.
Do they use up these opportunities, sir? Do you find that they're using it enough? Are you satisfied in terms of how they use it?
I think they do, but they could use it a little more. They could use it a little more. But there is, they do use the facilities and opportunities available to them to get help.
National Security Minister Robert Montague, speaking Wednesday at a police function in St. Mary, noted that officers who left the force last year pointed to poor working conditions as the #1 reason why they left. He says in light of this, 30 police stations will be repaired this year. He's also promising that there will be routine maintenance in the other 197 other police stations at a cost of $2,000 US.